all become short. It's the good old mountain fresh air.
God, your nostrils are flaring. This is Myung's aspiration in life, to grow tall. Can she do it?
Huh?
See, she's cheating. God, look how much taller he is than her.
Alright, where's your kids, Diane?
I don't know, let's leave them.
That's neat, tucked in there. I'll get a shot like from there over to the right a little bit. Why don't you and Diane go to a flower class and learn? Because she's asking the same question. Shit, a skunk.
Oh my God.
Diane, I have you in the entire lens.
With your top fingers, push backwards.
I know, I have your face covering the entire lens.
Well, back up is what I'm saying. Just back up. You're looking at my zit. This is the ugly camping trip.
Well, Lake San Juan's. What time is it anyway?
What, 6:30? 6:30 p.m. 6/17, 1990.
Did you hear this? A Greyhound bus driver who apparently couldn't handle a stick shift and almost hit a truck handed over the wheel to a passenger yesterday and let her drive across from Delaware to New York. It's pretty funny.
Paul! Paul!
What's happened to all of your stuff, your noisemakers there, buddy? Oh, boy.
Oh, it's off. I've already been told that.
Old joke, huh?
Hey, lost all your stuff, dude.
Get up here, Paul.
I know about that.
Your voice comes through.
This is Uncle Glenn.
You can't talk too loud when you're doing that.
Well, say something.
Say what?
I don't know.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh boy, strange. As soon as the camera comes on, everybody clams up. Clams up, yeah. You want me to dance a jig?
Sure.
I don't know how.
Okay. I'll go away and come back in a minute.
Yeah, well, when you go to move it, but then just snap it off.
Yep.
You finding out who everybody is? Oh, she's taking pictures.
I think I'll go get a beer.
Come on now. You guys
It's Uncle Frank.
Oh, put down. Drink too many.
And Uncle Al.
It's when you drink too many and you get icky.
And Rolly.
I was a bartender.
Yeah, I know you were.
Greg.
Huh?
5 years.
Dorothy.
First started bartending when I was 21.
Aunt Olive.
I'll take another
When I was,
Marcia.
what, 27, something like that.
He was the
And Elsie.
See, so you got 1, 2, 3.
And that's
Three
far.
generations right there. See, and this
Dinah,
is
do you know everybody there?
No, I told her. Well, I knew
I better
I knew
double check.
a couple of them. I knew 2 of them, but then not all of them.
Maybe I better double check.
Oh, I bet we know who that is. Ollie.
Oh my head.
Yeah, let's see that. Let me see that.
Yeah.
You know that was my, I think that was my graduation pic. No, it wasn't.
Hey, that's not a
I
bad
don't know
picture.
who that is.
That's graduation
That's
from
not a bad picture.
Yeah, when it was 120 in Phoenix.
Dinah's got up and in the net.
122, I think I got it.
Huh? Oh, yeah, it was kind of. Yeah, don't get up, Chuck.
I want you to get me eating though. I'm gonna get
Okay.
Your mom get out of there.
What do you do up there,
Oh,
John?
yeah, I did. I told him before that.
Woodland Park.
You got heat?
Take off.
Bye-bye, Marcia. Come over at Port Angeles. Yeah.
Started there, we took out
Yeah,
Bye, Marcia.
Yeah, Larry wants to go fishing,
Center
so,
of it,
you know,
down
you gotta
12
bring him
feet.
over. Scotty's always ready to go
pull it
fishing.
out on the
Yeah,
edges.
so, and he
wire
looks like
mesh
he'd be
down,
so much fun. He's a kid.
roll it up on the side, concrete around the sides.
So
then
you
put all
do
the dirt
that.
back
Okay,
in.
just call up and tell me you're coming, so
Then
we'll
we
be sure and be home.
demoed
I don't have your telephone.
old elephant barn.
I got it.
Okay.
all
Yeah, yeah,
around.
I spilled my beans on my shirt and my
Some
pants.
new trailers in there.
I don't know how I missed
Oh, you
them
can't
out.
go.
Bye, Lynn.
See you, Marcia.
Smile. You're on camera.
Yeah, she's pretty good. She knows her way out of here.
You're on camera.
You're on candid camera.
Yes.
What are you building? Stuck in your strawberry shortcake.
He's got quite a ways to drive if he drives to Woodland Park.
Boarding stuff.
Come on, Diana.
I love it, don't you?
Oh, Marcia, I know you do.
No, I'm saying that because she says that people that always don't want to be on this ones that take the pictures.
But you don't mind.
I don't like it.
You don't? Oh, I don't either.
Well, that's tough.
They run fast.
Hey, Rose, our Diana Ray, you sit down now. To me. Hey, Tim,
Don't be having
why don't
any
you guys
heart
just
trouble.
bag that for today, okay? Your design isn't very good.
Boy. How's it? I know it's
You'd like my dog.
special day.
Okay, you can go somewhere else now.
Back.
One for the
Took after my dad on electronics, but not photography. All that summer working on the first books.
Andy.
quite a change.
Why don't you take your thongs off so you don't wreck them? Don't stand on that, you'll break it.
Oh, gosh.
How do you like that?
I'll just go sit with food.
Hello there. How are ya? Welcome to Slumberland. That's enough. That's enough.
Where have you been for the last 2 hours, Rose?
I've been sitting in traffic on the freeways in Renton, Washington, hoping Diana's car would not boil over.
But she got us home, didn't she?
But I prayed and she got us out of it. By the grace of God, we got out of it.
How'd you like to do that every day?
No way. Living in Seattle, sitting 2 hours or half an hour in one spot on a hot day. Tim, where's your bathing suit?
What?
Where's your bathing suit?
Actually, I don't have one.
Oh.
I just wear shorts. That's pretty much. Paul, bring a chair over. Paul, come here. Bring a chair over. Come here. Sit over here. Sit by Tim. Sit here, Mom. Oh, give me the ball, Paul. Give me the ball. Come here. Here, I'll go get it. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Tim, that's too high.
It is? I'll move. Here, I'll move it back a little bit.
Paul, how old are you? How old? 2? Are you my sweetheart? Are you a booger?
Look at that, Mom.
I'm not Rose.
Okay.